Dear friends, today I am excited to share with you a remarkable and powerful secret, one that many are unaware of. Yet it can transform your teeth to be whiter, brighter, and healthier, all naturally and without any harm. Are your teeth stained, yellowed, or covered with plaque and grime? Do you feel embarrassed to smile or talk to others because of the appearance of your teeth? Or perhaps you struggle with bad breath that causes discomfort? Don't worry, you are not alone. And today I bring you a simple, natural, effective, and completely safe remedy. What is the secret? The inner skin of eggplant and sea salt. It may sound unusual, but trust me, these two simple ingredients work wonders. The inner skin of eggplant, often discarded, possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help remove plaque and grime from your teeth. Sea salt is a natural disinfectant that cleanses your teeth and strengthens the enamel. How to use it? First, collect the inner skin of an eggplant and let it dry completely. Then grind it into a fine powder and mix it well with a small amount of sea salt. Each night before bedtime, after brushing your teeth as usual, gently apply this mixture to a soft toothbrush and brush your teeth carefully for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, rinse your mouth with lukewarm water. What amazing results can you expect? After just a few days of regular use, you will notice the plaque and grime fading away. The yellow discoloration on your teeth will gradually diminish. Your teeth will become smooth, shiny, and noticeably whiter. Bad breath will disappear, leaving your breath fresh and pleasant. Your smile will become more beautiful and attractive, boosting your confidence tremendously. Why does this method work? Eggplant skin contains antibacterial agents that eliminate the bacteria responsible for plaque and grime. Sea salt naturally disinfects and removes surface stains while strengthening your tooth enamel. Together, they clean and whiten your teeth gently and effectively without causing any damage. Important tips. Always use a soft toothbrush to protect your sensitive gums. Use this remedy only once per day to avoid enamel sensitivity. Minimize consumption of staining beverages like tea, coffee, and soda for better results. Maintain a healthy diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables. Natural tips for white hair. White hair happens when melanin production stops, often due to age, genetics, or vitamin deficiencies, especially B12 and iron. Once hair turns white, it can't return to its natural color, but its spread can be slowed. Helpful tips. Eat foods rich in B12, iron, and antioxidants like eggs, fish, greens, nuts. Use natural oils, coconut, olive, amla, to nourish hair. Reduce stress and get enough sleep. Avoid harsh chemicals and heat. While white hair is natural and permanent, a healthy lifestyle helps keep hair strong and slows further graying.